Hello, welcome to an introduction to LinkedIn, presented by the Office of Career and Transfer Services. In this presentation, we will cover a variety of topics, including how to set up your LinkedIn account and profile, utilizing LinkedIn as a professional network platform, searching for jobs and careers within your account, and where to find social groups and expanding your own professional contacts and connections. What is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is defined as the largest professional network platform on the internet. Think of your profile as the online version of your resume with some additional components. You can include events that you have attended or planned, join groups, post photos and videos with your connections, and write blogs or articles. Employers and recruiters will also use the platform to search for potential employees. It is important that all the information included on your profile will make you look as marketable as possible for these companies. If you do not already have an existing account, we will first begin with creating your account. You can access the website by typing LinkedIn to your preferred web browser. When you arrive to the home page, you will find the Login/Sign Up button on the top right-hand corner of the page. For those of you who do not have an account, you will select Sign Up. It will then prompt you to add your first name, last name, and your email. Keep in mind that you should already have a professional email which should be used for this account. Once you have entered your information, LinkedIn will send you an email that will have you verify your account by clicking a link. Congratulations! You have now successfully created your LinkedIn account. Once you have moved past the first steps, there will be additional information to add. Your account will prompt you to include your most recent job/job title. By adding this information, you will allow the system to begin filtering jobs and companies that relate to your field. If you do not currently have a job, you will state that you are a student. When you finish including your job title, the system will direct you to your feed section. To continue editing your profile, you will click the Me section on the top right corner of your profile. First, you will begin by editing your profile link/URL. This can be used to include your resume or to send directly to employers who would like to view your account. Select Edit Public Profile and URL to complete this step. Instead of using the randomly generated link the system has provided, you will want to create a link that is clean and simple. An example will be using your first initial and last name. Please keep in mind that it should be professional. The next step is to upload a profile picture. Adding your profile picture is one of the most important pieces of your profile because employers will want to verify who you are. Since employers will be viewing this picture, you will want to ensure that it is professional. We recommend that you use a solid color and clear background and dress business professional. Please upload using PNG or JPEG format so that your picture will not be pixelated or blurry. Your About section should be the next priority. This will be one of the first sections that someone will explore when they arrive to your profile. Your About should be a culmination of your experience, industry, or skill and how they make you an excellent candidate for a position in your field. You can also include any future goals that you will accomplish within your professional career. This will typically take time to complete, so if you need to come back to it, you can. Please remember to click on Save so that your information saves. You can also create a draft in Word or Google Doc before uploading so that you may check for spelling and grammatical errors. The education section will be our next step in this process. Employers will look to see your most current or relevant education information. If you are working to complete your associate's degree, you will include your degree type and your concentration. A similar format can be used if you are working towards your bachelor's degree. You do not need to include your high school diploma in this section. If you indicate that you are presently a student in a college or university program, the employers will make the assumption that you have a high school diploma or a GED. Certifications and licenses should be included in this section. By adding this information, the algorithm will begin to recommend connections with people who have also attended QCC or have similar job positions. Similar to your physical resume, your work/professional experience will be the most important section of your profile. If possible, your work experience should be a culmination of experience pertaining to your field. If you are unable to add relevant experience, include any position that have transferable skills. Your job description will indicate your job responsibilities in the position you listed. These should showcase your skills in the form of actions, verbs, or statements. As mentioned in the previous slide, once you add this information, the algorithm will begin to show you connections who have worked in the same companies as you have. Your final step will be to add your skills to your profile. These skills should be hard or transferable skills that will help you excel in your roles. The purpose of these skills is to help you market yourself better. Employers can also endorse these skills, which help you highlight your best qualities. Endorsing means that your past employers are confirming that you excel at these skills that you have listed. Throughout this presentation, we have mentioned on numerous occasions that the algorithm on your profile will help you connect with similar people. Why is this important? As you embark on your professional journey, you will meet new people along the way. Staying connected to those people can help you attain future positions, or they can become mentors to help you on your journey. LinkedIn is a great tool to help you stay connected. Use it to its full advantage. The final feature we would like to highlight is the Jobs section. Much like Handshake, you can use this platform to search for job postings. When you get into the homepage of jobs, it will immediately recommend positions based on your skills and experience. You can filter some of these jobs and or add preferences so that only specific industry populate for you. If you click on a posting, the system will give you the option to apply for the job, view the job description, salary, and benefits. Some opportunities will also include if they are remote, hybrid, or in person. The final feature we would like to highlight is the alert feature. When you click into a job posting, you can select for LinkedIn to notify you if there are any similar positions that are posted in the future. Thank you for your time. Have a great rest of your day.